Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive on US Highway 11 northbound, beginning at Pennsylvania Mile 181.3 as we enter the borough of Kingston. Kingston had a population of 13,349 as of the 2020 census. Kingston holds historical significance as the site of Pennsylvania's reputed first public school, established in the 1770s. Additionally, it's home to the prestigious Upper School of Wyoming Seminary, a renowned college preparatory institution founded in 1844. The town experienced significant growth following the establishment of the Lackawanna and Bloomsburg Railroad, leading to its incorporation as a borough on November 23, 1857. In 1923, Kingston saw the construction of the Kingston Armory, a striking three-story yellow brick building designed in the classical revival style. Over the years, the Armory has served as a versatile venue hosting various events, including concerts, shrine circuses, the annual Luzerne County Folk Festival, and specialty shows. Notable performers like Simon & Garfunkel and Jefferson Airplane have graced its stage. As of April 2023, the Armory continues to be a hub for community gatherings and entertainment. Before the Knox mine disaster, coal mining was a primary industry in and around Kingston. However, the tragic event in 1959 essentially brought the mining industry in the borough to a halt. Another significant blow came in June of 1972 when Hurricane Agnes caused devastating flooding in Kingston and neighboring Wilkes-Barre. The natural disaster resulted in a state of emergency and garnered national attention, prompting a visit from President Richard Nixon. The flooding had a profound impact on the area, leaving lasting scars in the community. Kingston's population of 13,349 is spread out over an area of 2.21 square miles, making the population density surprisingly high. We enter the borough of Forty Fort, which came about in 1770 when 40 settlers from Connecticut established a fort on the banks of the Susquehanna River. Before the American Revolutionary War, there was a dispute between Connecticut and Pennsylvania over the territory, as Connecticut asserted its claim to a large area to its west based on its colonial charter. This disagreement led to conflicts known as the Pennamite-Yankee Wars. However, after the Revolutionary War, the federal government settled the dispute by awarding the contested territory to Pennsylvania, resolving the long-standing issue. After the Revolutionary War, Forty Fort became known for two significant landmarks: the Nathan Dennison House, believed to have been constructed around 1790, and the Forty Fort Meeting House, which was built between 1806 and 1808. The Meeting House is situated within the borough's cemetery, contributing to the area's historical heritage. Forty Fort had a population of 4,425 as of 2021. We enter the borough of Wyoming, not to be confused with the state of Wyoming out west or any of the other 13 municipalities in the United States named Wyoming. The borough is named for the Wyoming Valley in which it resides, and incidentally, the state is also named for the Wyoming Valley, even though that state is 1,500 miles away. In June and July of 1778, Loyalist forces, led by Major John Butler, attacked American settlements in the Wyoming Valley. They quickly overcame Fort Wintermoot and Fort Jenkins, which were later destroyed. Patriot militia gathering at Forty Fort were ambushed by Major Butler's Rangers and Native American allies, resulting in the devastating Battle of Wyoming. The Patriots suffered heavy losses, and subsequent surrender led to widespread looting and burning in the valley. Today, in the borough of Wyoming, a monument built in the early 1830s stands at the gravesite of those who lost their lives in the Battle of Wyoming. Each year, the Wyoming Commemorative Association sponsors an annual observance at the obelisk grounds to pay tribute to the fallen heroes of this Revolutionary War engagement. This monument holds significance, as it is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. In addition to the Wyoming Monument, other notable landmarks in the area, such as the Luzerne Presbyterial Institute and Svetland Homestead, are also recognized on the National Register of Historic Places for their historical importance. Wyoming had an estimated population of 3,103 as of 2021. We conclude today's video at mile 186.8 as we enter the borough of Exeter. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.